My name is Sue, the last name is Zutch. I have been in the laundromat business actually for 40 years, by myself for 20 years. The name came about because when we were developing the prints, a lot of people were talking about the laundromat. This is a laundromat on steroids. And I said, yes, it will be quite extreme. Started putting in new equipment in 2019. The pandemic hit in 2020. I was the only laundromat in the area open. I created a larger customer base, and because of that, found a much larger need for a new facility. So that's when I called the Kathy Keller at the Small Business Development Center and asked her to help me put a plan together, help me put my financing together. It took me a while. I had to stand back and allow myself to be helped, which is where Kathy came in, and Kathy sat down with me and really helped me with my struggles, taught me what I needed to do, helped me find the information that I needed for the SBDC, and here we are, from the ground up, specifically built to be a laundromat. And it is so well built, this laundromat will stand the true test of time. I can't tell you how thankful I am for the help that Kathy Keller has given me to help me get to this point. If somebody came to me with the interest of starting a new business, you have to call Kathy Keller at the SBDC because she is very knowledgeable in what she knows, but first and foremost, you have to be willing to be taught. You have to be willing to do the work that Kathy asked you to do, and everything will flow. If you're just willing to take the time, you're willing to do the work and allow her to help you. And can't thank Kathy enough.